In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image in Adobe InDesign. First, open your project in Adobe InDesign. To insert an image, click on the File option at the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Place. A file browser window will appear, allowing you to select one or multiple images from your computer. After selecting your image, click Open. Once the image is loaded, click and drag on the page where you want to place the image. The image will appear at its original size within the area you defined. If you want to insert the image into a specific shape or area, press Shift, while clicking and dragging to adjust its orientation. To resize or adjust the image within the frame, click on the Object option at the top navigation bar, hover over Fitting, and select Fill Frame Proportionally. This will scale the image to fit the frame while maintaining its aspect ratio. You can also manually adjust the position of the image within the frame by clicking and dragging, and this is how you can insert an image in Adobe InDesign.